Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Your phone has Bluetooth and location enabled, and you've installed the Google Home app. Sign in with the Google account you want to use. This is why devices and routines sync. Open the app and tap Add Setup Device New Device. This starts discovery. Once done, the app scans for nearby Google Home units. Allow it to find your speaker or display. Make sure your Wi-Fi name appears and select it to continue pairing. After discovery, follow the app's pairing flow. Scan the device QR or enter the setup code shown on the speaker if prompted. The app will ask to confirm the device sound. Listen for a chime and tap Yes to verify. Next, select the same Wi-Fi network your phone uses and grant microphone and location permissions so Assistant can respond and provide local info. Link media accounts like Spotify or YouTube Music. Pick the room and name. Finish by running voice match so the speaker recognizes you and applies personalized results. This improves responses to calendars and messages. Set your default speaker for music, and if you want, create or enable routines for common commands. Test commands like Hey Google, what's the weather? And control volume or grouping to confirm multi-room playback. If something goes wrong, reboot the Google Home and your phone. Confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi, and rerun setup. That restart step resolves most connection and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.